Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hana Inaya. Today I will be presented about unreal situation in grammar. So, unreal situation or unreal past and conditionals is focused about if clause, unreal past, with, if only, as if, or as talk. The main concept in unreal situation in the past, use of the past from the expert, express unreal or hypothetical situation, permanent conditional sentence, if only, what if, I wish, Eden rather, function expressing imagination, region, or political suggestion. The next, if clause, sentence structure, position of if clause can vary beginning, in the beginning, if you like, you can watch a film, the middle, example sentence, we, if if you like, can watch film, and the end, we can watch a film if you like. The next, type of type of conditionals, the correct real conditional type 1, the in the use present example, if I have money, I spend it. The in the past example sentence, if I had money, I spend it. The future in the future example, if I have money, I will spend it. Incorrect unreal conditional type 2, about present or future unreal. Example sentence, if I had money, I will spend it. Type 3, use past unreal. If I had money, I would have spent it. If clause style. The first, if plus past would plus best verb, present or future unreal. Example sentence, if I had another $30, I could fly to the US. The second, if plus past perfect, use would have plus past participle or past unreal. Example sentence, if you had asking me, I would have told you. The third modal. Could you example would be able to the mind would purpose or possibly. Next, about with. With plus past tense, they use unreal present. Example sentence, I wish I spoke French. This the next, with plus past perfect, unreal past. Example sentence, I wish I hadn't said that. The third, with plus would. You in the use hope for change in other. Example sentence, I wish he would stop smoking. Next, if only, stronger form of wish, more empathy. Example sentence, if only I were better looking. And the example sentence, if only I had more time. Next, as if or as took. In the use to compress or express imaginative situation about situation. Use formal. You can be used as if or as took. In the formal, you example word about like example sentence. If example sentence, it look as took. You have not met before. The next example, civil as if all were worries had gone. Not our special pattern. If plus were, to plus verb. In the use imaginary future, example word, example sentence, if he were to move, he then need a new job. Formula next, if is it weren't for plus noun. Use in unreal present. Example word, example sentence, if I weren't for my parent, I couldn't study. Next formula, if in had not been for plus noun. In the use unreal past example sentence, if it hadn't been for Jim, I wouldn't have passed. For the formal, we are is very not for or had in not be for blah 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 blah. Next, exercise 1. Choose from this verb to complete the sentence using each verb only. If possible, use the pattern where to infinitive. If this is not correct, use the past simple form of the verb. Number 1, if the police blah 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 him didn't spend years in person. You can answer weren't to coach. Number 2, if they blah 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 to reach the target, the order will be lost. You can use answer file. Next, number 3, if I blah 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 how to contact Mike, didn't call him. You can answer now. Next, number 4, if I blah 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 blah, how is it worked? Didn't explain it. You can answer understood. The last, if you like blah 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 blah, if you blah 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 his first film, you didn't enjoy this one too. You can answer like plus ed. Like the exercise 2, read sentence with similar meaning beginning with the given word. Number 1, John lent me money, otherwise I would have gone out of business. You can answer, had it not been for John lending me money, I would have gone out of business. Number 2, return of product to the shop if you have any complaint about it. You can answer, should you have any complaints, return and product to the shop. Number 3, there would be no here for them to stay if they arrive today. You can answer, were there nowhere for them to stay, they couldn't remain today. Number 4, I wouldn't have finished this book without Susanna's help. You can answer, even if it hadn't not been for Susanna's help, I wouldn't have finished this book. Number 5, John is giving me a lift. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to visit you. But for blah 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 blah, you can answer John's leave. I wouldn't be able to visit you. The 6th, Megan, I would have a email without it without it it would be difficult for you to keeping touch wherein you can answer not for email it then would be difficult for Megan and me to keep in touch. So the conclusion about this presentation, unreal situation in English help you use to communication a ideal, beyond reality when whether to imagine to show region or the make police suggestion, mastering conditional sentence and relate expressing such as with, about with, if only, and ask if are tag. It's very useful in advanced English communication. So thank you for your attention. I hope my presentation can give a clear understanding for the topic. Akhirul kalam, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.